Ever animate a teleport that looks like your character skates? In 2 minutes, you'll have a real teleport, and then we'll turn it into a punch that actually hits. The fix is one blank frame, but it only works if it goes in the right spot. I'll show you the exact placement. 5 steps. Pose A, streak, blank, streak, and pose B. And then we add impact. 12 frames per second, so it's easy to follow. A simple brush. Now let's get started. So draw pose A. You're going to duplicate it after you're done it, and I moved it over to the 9th frame. So pose A was on frame 1. The duplicated copy of it is on frame 9, which will be pose B. And then I change pose B slightly so it arrives with intent.
So, scribbles are animation?
Scribbles with purpose. Next frame, blank, gone. This is the missing frame. If you skip it, your brain reads sliding. 1 frame before pose B appears streaks at the destination. Now it's streak, blank, streak, and then pose B. If it still looks like sliding, it's usually 2 mistakes. Streaks are too wide, or the blank frame isn't truly blank. A quick thanks to my members. You guys make these tutorials keep coming. Now let's make it hit. Drop in a simple opponent. Keep them mostly still so you can plan the hit. Pose B isn't neutral. Pose B is the attack pose. Rule: 1 frame impact. Big and simple. Make it bigger, not prettier. Challenge: 2 teleports, 2 hits. Teleport behind, punch. Teleport other side, kick. More frames for build up, 1 frame for impact. That's how hits feel powerful.
But I drew 5 beautiful impacts.
That's why your hits felt like hugs. This is the secret sauce. The opponent moves on the impact frame. If it moves late, your punch looks weak. Which one do you think you're doing? Sliding equals blank frame or wide streaks. Weak hit equals neutral pose B or late reaction. Recap. A to streak to blank to streak again and then B. Then attack pose, 1 frame impact reaction. In the next video, the simplest shockwave that makes every hit feel 10 times stronger. If you want to make your animations feel stronger and more intentional, watch one of these. They build directly on what you just learned. I'll see you in my next video.